Article 11. Justifying circumstances. Number 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggravation, and second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repeal it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Second, anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of his spouse, accidentant, descendant, or illegitimate natural or adopted brothers or sister, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisite prescribed and the next preceding circumstances are present, and the fourth requisite in case the provocation was given by the person attached, that the one making defense had no part therein. 3. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of a stronger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstances of his article are present, that the person defending be not included by revenge, resentment, or other evil motives. Number 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which cause damage to another, provided that the following requisites are present. First, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that injury feared by the greater than the done to avoid it. Third, that the tree be not order particular and less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5, any person who act in fulfillment of a duty or in lawful exercise of a right or office. 6. Any person who act in obedience to an order issued by superior for some lawful purpose.